Once upon a time, there lived a boy named Arav in a small town. He was from a very simple family. But his dreams were very big. He wanted to become a great painter. He had been working hard for a long time to become a painter. He used to learn painting alongside his studies. But the people around him always said, "You, a painter? That's for rich, elite people only. It's not that easy. Give it up." Hearing this, Arav would get sad in his heart. He would think, did he make a mistake by dreaming of becoming a painter? Would he be left behind in life? Would he be able to become something or not? These words broke Arav many times, but his father always used to say that pleasing others is not our job. We should do what is right for us. Troubles and people's comments come into everyone's life. If we give up our work or our dream thinking, "What will people say?" then we will never be able to move forward in life. We should not let negative thinking dominate our positive thinking. Thinking positive in every situation is our biggest strength. Our positive thinking is what moves us forward, and we should never give up our positive thinking. Positive thinking is a person's biggest strength. One day there was a painting competition at school. Many children made beautiful pictures, but fear was seated in Arav's mind. He kept remembering those same words again and again. "You won't be able to do it." Just then he remembered his father's words. He closed his eyes, took a deep breath and said to himself, "I can do it. I will do it. As my mind thinks, so my result becomes." That was it. Arav started painting with new energy. He brought his dreams to life in colors, a tree whose every leaf was filled with hope and self-confidence. When the result came, everyone was surprised. Arav had secured the first place. While receiving the award, his teacher said, "Arav, you have won because you first won your mind, heart. Positive thinking has brought you this far." After that, Arav continued his journey of painting. He worked hard every day, learned new things, and held on tightly to his dream. Time passed and finally he became a very great painter because he didn't take people's words to heart. He only focused on his positive thinking and his dream. The moral of the story is, when we work hard, we should do it with complete dedication and heart. We should not pay attention to what people say, because people always say something or the other. But when we become successful, those same people say that yes, this person had potential, worked hard. The truth is that after success no one says anything negative. Everyone just sees the result. Positive thoughts turn small steps into big success. If you want to learn English with wisdom, please subscribe this channel.